6.18. The bob of a pendulum is released from a horizontal position if the length of the pendulum is 1.5 meter. What is the speed with which the bob arrives at the lowermost point, given that it dissipated 5% of its initial energy against air resistance? So when this one is in horizontal position, so we can say it is at a height h, that is equal to length of the pendulum 1.5 meter. Now in this position, the total energy of the pendulum, that is kinetic energy plus potential energy, but it is stationary at horizontal position. So kinetic energy is 0, potential energy V. So total energy, that is potential energy, and that is equal to mgh. When any object having mass m is at height h in the gravitational force field, its potential energy is mgh. This we studied in theory. Now it is released. So when it reaches at the lowermost position, at that time 5% of total energy is dissipated. It implies that when it reaches at the lowermost position, it have 95% of initial energy. 5% તો loss થઈ ગઈ, તો બચી કેટલી? 95%. So when this one reaches at the lowermost position, its total energy, that is 95% of initial energy. So that is 95% of mgh. So total energy at lowermost position, that is kinetic energy at lowermost position plus potential energy at lowermost position, and that is equal to 95% of mgh. But at lowermost position h is 0, so potential energy is 0. Suppose at lowermost position its speed is v, then kinetic energy, that is half mv square, plus potential 0, that is equal to 95%, that is 95 by 100 into mgh. Make v as a subject. So v, that is under root 95 by 100 into 2gh. Now substitute the value of g and h, that is equal to L, that is 1.5 meter, and solve it. You will get the speed of the pendulum at lowermost position. Clear to all of you?